While some women less conspicuous was clothed to a fault attracting I wanted men, are men responsible for their action too?
This issue is based on defining the position and the current situation of women in the face of their free expression with respect to their wardrobe, being tools that over the years they have imposed. One use and at quiet and direct way of dressing, thus growing the comfort, security, and freedom that every woman should have without having to be hardened and Christian be society. It is key to exonerate and justify the descriptive act of the man for the use of a different garment that the woman used. I already know for the use of sometimes unusual that they are not used, though to say a short skirt, short crop top, etc. In addition, the repression that women experience every day when showtime the clothes they desire to wear.
As these events happen, I hope a complete education is not carried out aimed at the integrity, dignity, and life of women. This would prevent the man growing up from feeling the right thing to disrespect and misinterpret the woman's way of dressing. Norms and taboos are instead with the woman's body which imposes on us how we should dress in the eyes of sociology. For the simple fact that our way of dressing would cause more mobility among women and make us more vulnerable. But that does not it is a reason for not respecting the right to choose what each person decide I want to wear whether inside or outside their home. I feeling that everyone should be and feel free without feeling judged.
The woman dresses for the comfort, not to attract inward. Men and that should not be a reason for christening, ridicule, and list the justification for any type of abuse, since the problem lies in the negative thinking and acting of the man, and not from women's clothing. We seek and want to break with these stereotypes that in a one way or another force us to be, to think and even to dress to the like of others. We want to be free from our ideas to our clothing without having to carry fear and go from being the victim to being the victimizer.
With respect to the opinion of my colleague, I totally agree, because nonetheless, women are robbed for the simple fact of wearing a short dress, trousers, strict top, etc. It is accountable to go out in the street without feeling else. I also agree, let's break these stereotypes and be able to go out with the garment or clothes you would without being looked at with morbid or feeling judged.
I consider that the opinion of my partner is truthful and interesting, since she names how in one way or another society imposes clothing on women, so as not to awaken morbid in men. I like the phrase she used to give weight to her argument and says, every young should be and feel free without being hugged.